Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today you will learn how to build a communication tool for students to ask and answer WH questions using Canva's AI code. To log into Canva, first I will start by searching for Canva in Google. From here I'll click into the website. Canva is approved by New York City Public Schools. So from here you'll log in or check that you are logged into your New York City Schools account. From here, you'll be able to access all the tools that Canva has to offer, but for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the Canva AI feature, which can be found on the right-hand side. Here is where I will enter my prompt, create an interactive board or template for a group of students to practice asking and answering questions. Take a moment to pause here, review the prompt that I created, noting what I included about my learners and the goal of this interactive activity. I encourage you to stop, pause here, get logged into Canva, and draft up your own prompt, or even copy mine here. After entering my prompt and clicking the purple arrow, you can see Canva begins to code the communication board. Once my code is generated, I see here version 1. I can begin to look at, review, and check the elements that were created. So here I can see there's a category for each one of my WH questions, and as I click the responses, a weekend story is generated at the bottom. You want to ensure that you check that all the features work. The next step is to request any changes in the chat box on the left-hand side. So revise the layout to be like a communication board, provide additional answer options for the students to choose from. See, I'm adding that and then clicking the purple arrow on the left-hand side as well. And then Canva will regenerate this board and create a second version. Here you can see that Canva has provided me with the second version or the second iteration. The layout looks a little bit different and there are a lot more answer choices, but as I'm clicking through, I'm noticing that I'm not hearing the output for each of the answer options, and it's not adding the answers to the weekend story at the bottom. So here again on the left-hand side, I'm adding another comment to say the layout and answer options are good. Please just change them when the answers are selected. They are read aloud and are built into the weekend story at the bottom. So with this third prompt, I'll get a third version. So here you can see the third version was generated. It usually does take a minute, but this time on my end, I'm able to hear each button as they are pressed, and as they are clicked, they are joined together in the weekend story at the bottom. So again, as you create things on Canva, you want to make sure that all of the features are working on your end. Once you have a version you like and are ready to save, at the top, click the Use and Design button. I'm going to select a presentation, and then this WH communication board will open up in my Canva. There I'm able to present it. If I wanted to show it on the front board, checking that all the features still work there, as well as the other Canva features, sharing with a link, uploading to my Google Classroom, all of those ways to share. It's important to note that as you begin to explore these tools and implement them in your instruction, that you are continuously reviewing the outputs and making adjustments to best meet your learners' needs and maintain integrity in your instruction. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.